And welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can create a Discord server. So for that, head over to your Discord application and then get logged into your account. Once done, make sure that you are under homepage. If you would like to create a server, from your left hand side, scroll all the way below until you see the plus button and then tap on the plus button. Now it says create your server. You can either start from template or create your own. Simply type on create your own and then tap on for me and my friends. In here, give it the name you would like to name your server. If you would like to add any picture, tap on upload and add your photo from gallery. If not, simply tap on create server. And likewise, this is going to be your server link. You can go ahead and invite your friends to the server by tapping on invite, just like this. And once done, you can also, share the link by tapping on this share link or copy the link right here and send it to your friends via any platform. And when they tap onto the link, they will have to accept and simply be member of the server that you just created. Now, if you would like to view your server, all you have to do is go to your home page again. And at the top screen, you will be able to see the server you created, which is this. Right now, I have text channel, voice channel, and only me, myself, and the server. You can go ahead and invite all the people you would like. And just like so, guys, this is how you can create server. Thanks for watching.